Phrasal verbs without. Break out. Meaning: to escape or start suddenly. Examples: a fire broke out in the warehouse last night. The prisoners managed to break out of jail. The prisoners managed to break out of jail.
Carry out.
Meaning: to complete a task or follow instructions. Examples: the scientists carried out an important experiment. The soldiers carried out their orders without hesitation. Check out. Meaning: to examine or leave a place. Examples: you should check out that new bookstore in town. We need to check out of the hotel by noon. We need to check out of the hotel by noon.
Come out.
Meaning: to be revealed or become available. Examples: his new book will come out next month. The truth about the accident finally came out. The truth about the accident finally came out.
Drop out.
Meaning: to leave a course or activity before completion. Examples: he dropped out of college due to financial problems. Many athletes drop out of the race because of injuries. Many athletes drop out of the race because of injuries. Figure out. Meaning: to understand or solve something. Examples: I can't figure out this math problem. She finally figured out how to fix the machine. She finally figured out how to fix the machine. Find out. Meaning: to discover information. Examples: I need to find out what time the meeting starts. She found out that he had been lying to her. She found out that he had been lying to her. Get out. Meaning: to leave or escape from a place. Examples: we need to get out of here before the storm hits. He told me to get out of his office. He told me to get out of his office. Give out. Meaning: to distribute or stop functioning. Examples: the teacher gave out the exam papers. My phone battery gave out after a long call. My phone battery gave out after a long call. Go out. Meaning: to leave home for an event or stop shining. Examples:
we went out for dinner last night.
The lights suddenly went out during the storm. The lights suddenly went out during the storm. Hand out. Meaning: to distribute something to people. Examples: the volunteers handed out food to the homeless. The teacher handed out the assignments to the students. The teacher handed out the assignments to the students. Hang out. Meaning, to spend time in a relaxed way. Examples. We often hang out at the cafe after work. I love hanging out with my best friend on weekends. I love hanging out with my best friend on weekends.
Help out.
Meaning, to assist someone. Examples. She helped out at the charity event. Can you help me out with this heavy box? Can you help me out with this heavy box? Leave out. Meaning, to exclude or omit something. Examples. He felt sad because they left him out of the game. Don't leave out any details in your report. Don't leave out any details in your report. Look out. Meaning, to be careful or watch for danger. Examples. Look out. There's a car coming. You should look out for pickpockets in crowded places. You should look out for pickpockets in crowded places. Make out. Meaning, to understand or see clearly. Examples. I couldn't make out what he was saying. Can you make out the writing on this old document? Can you make out the writing on this old document? Pass out. Meaning, to faint or distribute something. Examples. He passed out from exhaustion after the marathon. The teacher passed out the test papers to the students. Point out. Meaning, to highlight or indicate something. Examples. She pointed out a mistake in my essay. The tour guide pointed out the historic landmarks. The tour guide pointed out the historic landmarks. Run out. Meaning, to use up all of something. Examples. We ran out of milk, so I need to buy some. My patience is running out with his excuses. My patience is running out with his excuses. Sort out. Meaning, to organize or resolve a problem. Examples. I need to sort out my schedule for next week. The manager helped us sort out the issue with our order. The manager helped us sort out the issue with our order.